YouTube, got all the major parts. YouTube, so for your temperature, I got the sensor right here. And what you want to do, you want to go ahead and put that sensor onto the fitting, just like that. And do not put Teflon on this part right here, because it won't, get a good reading on it. On these small block Chevys, they got like an oil fitting right here. I don't know if you can see it. Hold up, right there. All right, YouTube, I got the little bolt out. All right, I got everything put back together. Everything looked pretty good. Go ahead and explain a little bit about this wire. So this is the plug-in from the cluster, and you're already gonna run your wire from your tachometer in your under the hood where your distributor at, and this is that red wire for your oil, and the blue one is for the water. So you got those three already set, okay? And this little paper that I wrote down on the cluster, one of these pink wires should, well, just solid pink, is gonna be your fuel gauge. So it's that solid pink one that's right there. That solid pink one right there. All right. Then you got light green is high beams. So you got your light green. You got your light green right there. Then you got light blue, or you got blue for your right signal. Okay, you got blue right there. Then you got light blue for your left signal. All right, so what's left is the pink and black ignition. Okay, your ignition can be pretty much anything that turns on with the key. That's a 12 volt. So you want to go ahead and get a light tester and test one of them, and whichever one that turns on with a key. I think I did this one right here beside this orange, and it was pretty good with a key, so I could use that as an ignition power. All right, YouTube, so now we're gonna work on the transmission mile per hour, pan. So this part right here goes inside of the transmission, where your little knob, that little wire, that long tube or that wire that goes to your transmission to measure your mile per hour. You're gonna unscrew that, and then you're gonna screw this in, and this is the plug that goes with it. But in the description it says that this right here is gonna be, the white is for your mile per hour. This is a hot, and this is a negative. So this needs to go to a 12 volt source, and this right here is the negative, and this goes to your dash. The white wire that's on the dashboard, this is what that goes to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Everything working. I got the temp working, my fuel, mile per hour. He might be out of gas. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, we got gas. Go. Everything working. I got the voltage working. Oil pressure is reading good, 65. Fuel is looking good. But like I said, you can see it better when it's nighttime. It's because that sun got this glare on it. Can't block it up. Can't block it no kind of way, but it's got a glare on it. But that's how it looks. Man, I'm gonna just go ahead and tell y'all, man. If you got a mind to do what you want, go at it. Don't tell nobody you can't. Don't let nobody tell you can't do nothing. Because you can do anything you want to. You just gotta put your mind to it, think about it, and go forward. If you mess up, hey, you learn from your mistakes. Go do research. But I got it right, man. I love this, man. It make me, you know, feel good, you know, because this is what I got passion for, man. Coming up in a small town, you know, just doing what I like to do. And I always said that I wanted to, you know, work on cars all my life, and that's what I like doing. But if you got a mind for it, anything, you know, do what you want to do. Don't let nobody tell you can't. All right, so we're gonna be out, man. So like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace. All right, bonus footage. That's how I look when it's kind of dark outside. Headlights on. Got your bright bulb. I know it's kind of blurry. Left signal, right signal.